Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller, and this is the black version of it. So I already have these two guys, the one white that comes with it and a camouflage, but I really wanted this one. It was on sale on Amazon for $69, but in total I got it for $80 after taxes, somewhere around that. So let's start the unboxing today. To unbox this today. Oh, feels like something's broken already, or it just comes with it like that. Don't know. Let's check this guy out today. It also comes with a USB cable. That's why I bought this variant. Here we go. Looks pretty good and sleek. I like the way it is designed. Feels very good on the hand, on the thumbs and grip. I want to see where the cable's at. Oh god, so difficult. I think I need to take it out of here from here. They wanted me to destroy the unboxing. Oh god. There's no way I can take it out without breaking the whole box. Okay guys, we have the cable down here. That's pretty much it. I'll be testing the controller later guys. By the looks of it, looks pretty nice, pretty decent to me, like the other controllers. It's a black one. Always wanted a sleek black design, matte design. Looks pretty nice to me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.